Pride High 230, so this is the lesson for May 12th. In this, we're going to be talking about mean absolute deviation. So you guys know what mean is. Mean is just basically like an average. You add it up and you divide by how many there are. And mean absolute deviation has to do with absolute value, and deviation has to do with the difference. And so that's what we're going to be doing today. I'll help you with the first two, and then I'll send you on your way to do the rest. So the first thing you have to do is you have to find the mean. And so how you find the mean is you add up all the numbers and divide by how many there are. So in this case, I'm going to do 3 plus 1 plus 5 plus 4 plus 8 plus 6. And I see that that's 6 numbers, so I'm going to divide that answer by 6. All right, so let's go ahead and do that. 3 plus 1 plus 5 plus 4 plus 8 plus 6. And then I'm going to divide that by 6. And I'm going to get that the mean is 4.5. So I write that in that first blank. Now to find mean absolute deviation, you have to find the distance that each of those numbers is from 4.5 on the number line, and then take the absolute value. So absolute value, you guys might remember, is you always find the positive number. So for the first one, 3 and 4.5, if I subtract 3 minus 4.5, I'm going to get negative 1.5, but the absolute value of that is going to be 1.5. Then the next one, I'm going to have to do 1. So 1 minus 4.5, and I'm going to get negative 3.5, and the absolute value of that is 3.5. 5 minus 4.5, and I get 0.5. I don't have to change it because it's positive. 4 minus 0.5, I'm going to get 0.5, negative 0.5, and change it over. 8 minus 4.5, I get 3.5. And 6 minus 4.5, I'm going to get 1.5. Now, what I need to do is I have to take all of those numbers I just got, add them up, and divide by how many there are. We're going to take the mean again. So we're going to add those up, and there are 6 numbers, so we will divide by 6. So 1.5 plus 3.5 plus 0.5 plus 0.5 is 3.5 plus 1.5. I'm going to get 11, and then I'm going to divide that by 6. And I'm going to get about 1.83 repeating. So that is my mean absolute deviation. All right, let's practice this again on the next one. So first find the mean, so add them up. 78 plus 45 plus 60 plus 33 plus 84. All right, and there's 5 numbers here, so I'm going to divide that by 5. 78 plus 45 plus 60 plus 33 plus 84. Divide that by 5. All right, I get 60, so my mean is 60. Now I need to figure out the distance each of these is from 60 on the number line. 78 minus 60 is 18. 45 minus 60 is negative 15. So absolute value, that'll be 15. 60 minus 60 is 0. 60 minus 33, I get 27. And 84 minus 60, I get 24. All right, there are 5 numbers here, so I'm going to divide that by 5. So 18 plus 15 plus 0 plus 27 plus 24. Divide that by 5, and I'm going to get 16.8 is my mean absolute deviation. All right, keep going. Try the other 2.